Welcome everybody in my new class. After a few days, I have come once again to teach you English grammar. Today I am going to discuss on tech questions because I have already discussed all the grammatical items one by one. So from today I am going to discuss on board questions of different boards of Bangladesh. At first, talk about 2016. Success cannot be achieved without efforts. This is a negative statement, so the tag of this statement will be affirmative. So the answer of the statement is success cannot be achieved without efforts, can it? Number two, everybody knows it. This is an affirmative statement, so the answer of the statement will be negative. The correct answer of this statement is everybody knows it, don't they? Number three, the successful persons are very industrious. This is an affirmative statement, so the answer of the following statement will be negative. So the correct answer of this statement is the successful persons are very industrious, aren't they? Number four, everything glorious is gained through labor. This is an affirmative statement, and the answer of this statement will be negative. So the answer of the following question is everything glorious is gained through labor, isn't it? Number five, so industry is the key to success. This is an affirmative statement, and answer of this statement will be negative. So the correct answer of this statement is industry is the key to success, isn't it? Dear students, please take your pen, papers, and write them in your exercise book, one after one. Now, Kumila Board 2016. Number 1, I need a pen. This is an affirmative statement and the verb is pencil verb. So the answer of the following statement will be, I need a pen, don't I? Number 2, I must write a letter to my friends. This is an affirmative statement and there is a must. So the answer of the following will be, I must write a letter to my friend. Mustn't I? Number 3, I have not written any letter to him for a long time. This is a negative statement, so omit not and write have I. So the answer of the following statement will be, I have not written any letter to him for a long time. Have I? Number 4, as we are friends, I think we should keep in touch. This is an affirmative statement and there are two clauses here, so we should follow the last one, principal clause. So the answer will be, as we are friends, I think we should keep in touch, shouldn't we? Number 5, I am irregular in writing, but my friend is always regular in writing. This is an affirmative statement and there are two clauses here. So you should follow last one. So the answer of this of the following statement will be, I am regular in writing, but my friend is always regular in writing, isn't he? Dear students, now Rajshahi Board 2016. Telling lie is a great sin. This is an affirmative statement and there is the verb is, so the answer of the following statement will be, telling lie is a great sin, isn't it? Number 2, one lie begets 100 lies. Here begets is pencil verb and there is as after it, so the answer of the following will be, doesn't it? One lie begets 100 lies, doesn't it? Number 3, none believes a liar. This is a negative statement and the verb is pencil verb. So instead of none, it will be they. So the answer will be, do they? Number 4, he has to lead miserable life. Here there is has, so the answer will be hasn't he. He has to lead miserable life, hasn't he? Number 5, so all of us ought to refrain from telling lies. Here the verb is ought to, so the answer will be oughtn't us. So all of us ought to refrain from telling lies, oughtn't we? Now Select Board 2016. 1. You later gave me much pleasure. Here this statement is affirmative and the verb gave is past tense. So the answer will be didn't it. Number 2, I am glad to inform you about our sports day. The verb is am, so it will be are. And this is an affirmative statement, so it is negative. So aren't I? Number 3, we decorated the school campus colorfully. Here, decorated is past tense, so answer will be didn't we? We decorated the school campus colorfully, didn't we? Number 4, among the events, shack race and three-leg race were interesting. Here, the verb is were, and the subjects are more than one, so the answer will be weren't they? Number 5, none could laughter watching these events. Here, none is negative statement, so the answer will be affirmative. So, none could laughter watching these events. Could they? Dear students, I think I have cleared the method to you. Practice more and more at home using test paper or text guide. See you next time. Thank you so much for joining with me. Allah Hafiz.